In learning objective B, we're going to simplify log expressions and equations. Now here they want us to rewrite without logs. So we can simplify this log expressions so the logs are actually gone. So we're really just condensing it down. So first thing I'm going to do is move the numbers back to become their exponents. So here we have the natural log of x equals the natural log of y cubed plus the natural log of z. Now remember, the addition crunches together into multiplication. So natural log of x equals the natural log of y cubed times z. Now if you remember from Algebra 2x, when you have one log set equal to another log, these logs right here can actually cancel out. So I'm going to cancel those out, and what I'm left with now is x equals y cubed times z. This is rewritten in condensed format without any logarithms. Now, you have to be careful. At this stage right here, you actually cannot cross the logs out. It can only happen if there's one logarithm to one, not if there's one logarithm to two separate logs. So that means you have to condense things down first as much as you can to this stage right here and then cross them out. Now this example is just a little bit backwards thinking, but it's great practice for rewriting these logs without using log. Here's what we know. We know the log base 10 of 5 is equal to the letter C. They want us to restate all of these without logarithms. So I need to try to restate them such that I can see the log of 5s. Now they're all base 10, so we're good on that. So one thing I can do, I can rewrite 25 using 5s. It's 5 squared. So I'm going to write log of 1 over 5 squared. Now it does have to be log of 5 on the top half, so why don't I just move this upward? So that would become log 5 to the negative 2. Now be careful, it has to be just the log of 5, so it's almost there. Well, I can get rid of that exponent. I can actually move it forward, so it's still going to be there, but this becomes negative 2, the log of 5. Now I have enough information because the log of 5 is isolated by itself. I'm going to substitute that with the letter C. So the answer here is negative 2c. This is rewritten without logarithms. Let's look at this second one here. Again, it needs to be log of 5s. Well, I can rewrite the number 125. That is the same as the log of 5 cubed. Well, it needs to be just log of 5, so let's take the cubed, because I can, and bring it forward. So this is 3 times the log of 5. Now I can replace the log of 5 with the letter C, so this is 3 times C, or 3c. This last one, we're going to have to be a little more creative. Keep in mind, this is log base 10 of 5. So it means I can look for multiples of 5, or what about log base 10 of 10? That's just the number 1. So now I can actually look at how can I restate the number 250 using 5s and 10s. Well, that's very doable. This is the same as, let's do the log of, how about 5 squared times 10? Well, what I can do here is actually pull this apart. This becomes the log of 5 squared plus the log of 10. This squared's an exponent, so I bring it forward. So we have 2 times the log of 5 plus, again, I'm going to put log base 10 of 10 so you can see it better. 10 to what power equals 10? This answer here is just 1 on the back half. So let's substitute things in. 2 stays there. The log of 5 is the letter C. Log base 10 of 10 is 1. So the answer here is 2c plus 1.